evening, everyone. Welcome to my Pinobreng recipe number 2. We have pancit canton, calamansi flavor. We already boiled it 3 minutes. And I have lettuce and nori. Paborito ng husband ko ang yung nori. Ako kasi sanay tayo sa Philippines na we can get, may access tayo sa mga fresh na ganyan, di ba? So, hindi ako masyado sa dried. Pero nilagyan ko lang siya. And I'm gonna use all the leftover spicy I have. Yan na lang ang natira. I will probably make another mix this weekend kasi I have to have like every meal. Kahit anong ulam. Mapa chicken, noodles, or rice lang. Even in my fried rice, nilalagyan ko niyan ng spicy na yan. So, mix lang together. And, yun. I'm gonna eat that, of course, with rice. So, since noodles plus rice, double carbohydrates tayo, diba? Not good, pero it's okay. I'm gonna work that out. So, we have a leftover, bulalo. Beef siya. 15 minutes pressure cook lang ng asawa ko with salt and pepper. So, I don't want to mix that beef in my noodles kasi gusto ko yung lasa talaga ng canton. I'm sure all Filipinos can relate to me, diba? Masarap. So, I'm gonna eat it by side lang para at least may protein tayo kasi nga, loaded na tayo ng carbohydrates. So, yun guys, showing you my simple pancit canton food. Okay? Happy Friday, everyone, and thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.
Let's eat the leftover spicy